This is the Huawei Mate 70 Air, and it breaks the fundamental rule of smartphone design. You want air thin at just 6.6 millimeters? You got it. But you also want a battery that lasts forever? Huawei just jammed a staggering 16,500 mAh battery into this thing. It defies logic, it defies physics. Today, we're unboxing the Mate 70 Air, covering the specs, the design, and giving you my honest first impression of this potential new king of stamina. Let's find out how they pulled off this engineering miracle. The unboxing experience is premium, as expected, but the moment you pick up the Mate 70 Air, wow. The feel in the hand is just incredible. That 6.6mm profile is undeniably sleek. I have the radiant gold black here, and the celestial-inspired star ring camera module looks fantastic. It weighs about 208 grams, not featherlight, but amazing considering what's inside. How did they do it? The secret is in the cell chemistry, the silicon-carbon battery technology. It allows Huawei to pack significantly more energy density into the same volume. A typical thin phone sacrifices battery for sleekness, but the Mate 70 Air gives you the best of both. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a category killer for endurance. We're charging this massive cell at 66-watt wired supercharge. No wireless charging, a worthy trade-off for this slim profile. Let's look at the display. You get a huge 7.0-inch LTPO OLED panel, a massive canvas for all your media. It's got a 120Hz refresh rate, but the real headline is the brightness, a peak of up to 4,000 nits. That is phenomenal for visibility, even under the harshest sun. Add in the 2160Hz high-frequency PWM dimming for flicker reduction, and you have a screen that's easy on the eyes and perfect for binge-watching. Powering the Mate 70 Air is Huawei's in-house Kirin 9020 series chipset. It comes with options up to 16 GB of RAM. This is a flagship-level processor that handles everything I've thrown at it so far with ease. It runs on HarmonyOS 5.1, bringing seamless connectivity with the Huawei ecosystem and some cool AI features like AI air transfer and tap to share. For the camera, we get a versatile quad setup. The star is the 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS. But what's great for a thin phone is the dedicated 12-megapixel RYB telephoto lens, which gives you 3x optical zoom with OIS. This is usually a feature cut in Air phones. Plus, we have the 8-megapixel ultra-wide macro and a dedicated multispectral sensor for X-Mage color accuracy. Initial samples are sharp and vibrant, and the 3x zoom is surprisingly usable. Selfie camera 10.7-megapixel, f2.2 supports 4K video recording. So, my final first impression of the Huawei Mate 70 Air is that it has genuinely redefined the ultra-slim category. It's not just a fashion piece, it's a fully spec'd flagship that happens to be razor-thin. It sacrifices only one thing, wireless charging, to deliver a 6,500 mAh battery that is currently unmatched in this form factor. If you want the sleekest, most elegant phone that can actually last you 2 days, this is your device. The big question is the 6.6mm thinness worth the price? Let me know what you think in the comments. And for my next video, I'll be doing a full 6,500 mAh battery drain test and a deep dive camera review. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.